Hola a todos, nosotros estamos de vuelta. In this Taste and See video, we will take a quick walking tour of an ancient city located an hour south of Madrid, also known as the City of Three Cultures. So come and join me as we explore historic Toledo. Check out. Oh my goodness. Check out this view. Wow. Look at this view. This is amazing.
Panoramic, okay, what we are going to see now, it's a really famous neighborhood here. This neighborhood is called Cigarrales. So the Cigarrales neighborhood has the name that comes from an insect, the famous cigarra, which is like a type of cricket, a really big one that makes a lot of noise during the summertime because of the weather. So these houses that you see in front, on the left and on the right side are the houses from this neighborhood. These houses are huge houses, as you can see. Some of them are even hotels, and there's some of them that you can rent and even buy here if you want. Now, another thing is that when we get off, okay, what we are going to do is try a little bit the radios to see if they work, guys. Okay, so I will teach you how to connect them. So once you get off, I will ask you to please connect them. And what you have to do, you are going to see 3 buttons, okay? So you just have to press and keep pressing for a few seconds, the one in the middle. And a light will start to come, okay? And this light will mean that it starts to get connected and eventually they will turn on after a few seconds. So what we are going to do is I will be connecting mine to connect all of them at the same time, and like this try and see if you can hear me and all of them work before we start with the walking tour, okay? So once we get off of the bus, please connect all of the radios and we will be trying them out.
So we made it here at the town square in Toledo, and it looks like that's a marzipan shop, the Santo Tome. And I'm actually here on a group tour, and this is going to be our meeting point in a bit. It's actually very cold right now. We're on top of a hill, really tall hill, because we had to take a bunch of escalators going up. And yes, we have a McDonald's, and then we have a cafe and a Burger King here on this side. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab something to eat real quick, and then we'll be right back. Assassin's Creed. So we have the Toledo Cathedral right above us. Wow. Wow, incredible. Look at this. Oh man, look at this cathedral. Okay, take a look at this cathedral. Absolutely stunning. Look at this. We're now entering the Jewish quarter here in Toledo. Wow, look at the store. So this used to be a minaret of an old mosque, well, former mosque. But now it's a church. Here is St. Thomas Church. So we have a crucified Christ here, and to symbolize that this is a church. Oh, here we go.
Real. Good gracious.
Oh yeah, this is close.
Mirror. Watch that mirror.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're safe. Oh wow. And look at the front of this church. Oh my goodness. Wow. So I believe this is St. John's Church or something. I have to double check. Wow. Incredible view. Wow. So this is the remains of the Roman circus here in Toledo. And you can still see the shape. So we're now going inside. It sounds like a sword factory. So let's check it out. Because Toledo is known for making swords, even swords for like movies and shows and stuff.
Now you can see the demonstration was demonstration. And you can see what happened. The steel is completely free. Then you see the difference when the steel is temperate, the piece is very hard and very flexible. Okay? And finally, for those gold 20 and 24 karat overs of the steel. For example, to make something like that, tiny piece for something.
Oh, wow. Nice.
We are here.
Take a look at these different swords. Wow. Thank you for joining me in this brief walking tour of Toledo. In our next Taste and See video, we will head an hour northwest of Madrid, exploring a city with a 2,000-year-old Roman aqueduct, a Gothic cathedral, and an enchanting castle overlooking the gorgeous hillside. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Gracias de nuevo por acompañarme y espero con ansias nuestra próxima aventura juntos.